now the starting lineup for the Clipper Cats. On defense, number 10, Emma Saar.
That'll be
On
Emma
defense,
Saar.
number 11, Megan Rinko.
Megan Rinko.
At left wing, number 3, Sienna Metcalf.
Sienna Metcalf.
At right wing, number 19, Isabella Kane.
That'll be Bella Kane.
Playing center, number 16, Kira Jacobs.
Kira
And
Jacobs.
Number 1, Sage Boussier.
And Sage Boussier in net.
And now the starting lineup for your defending champion, Hanover Bears. On defense, number 3, Hannah Gardner.
That'll be Gardner to Hanover.
On defense, number 5, Lucy Braga.
Number 5,
At
I didn't catch
left
the last
wing,
name.
number 14, Julia Law.
That'll be number
Playing
14,
right
Law.
Number 7, Nora Bradley. At center, number 16, Rachel Rockmore.
That was Bradley,
And goal, number 29, Eleanor Edson.
Rockmore,
The Bears are
and
coached
Hudson
by John Dye,
in net.
Sucker Gary Hanchett, Maddie Hartman, Hannah Sistrom, and Jenna Powers. Would you now please rise and remove your hats for the playing of our national anthem? All right, let's play some hockey.
All right. I have my microphone on there. This Saar keeps that in. Clipper Cats have been able to keep the puck in zone. so far. That's DeSantis on the far corner, going back behind the net, trying to send it out front. It's going to get out front. I believe that's Gostkowski. And Rinko coming down the wall, gets support. That puck's going to go all the way down for an icing. Clock never started, so we're going to try to fix that expeditiously. Coming around. Some Wi-Fi signals here we're struggling with. Clock's not reflecting well, so we'll work on that later. We're not going to worry about it right now. Hanover into the zone, but gets stood up by Anderson. That puck's going to come out of the zone. Hanover's going to get it back in, and the Clipper Cats come out. That's Farwell with it through the neutral zone. She'll send it opposite corner. They'll go for a change. DeSantis gives chase. Hanover will come to the near wall. There's a loose stick out there. That's getting picked up. Jacobs with it on her stick through the neutral zone. She gets taken out. Saar sends it over to Rinko. Rinko's going to rush into the zone. Gets a shot. Gets blocked. Makes its way in to the goalie. Jacobs will send it down low. Comes around the backside to Metcalf. Swings around the wall. And Rinko's going to try to feather that in, and it's going to pop out. Massar's there. She's got it. Sends it across. Hanover's going to regroup with it. Metcalf with a great opportunity to intercept. Massar sends that in. That gets picked off by Metcalf. And she gets a shot on that. That'll be a whistle. That's 12:09 here in the period. We don't have consistent clock here. We'll try to continue to work on it. That puck's going to get one back out to Henderson with a shot. Almost makes its way in. Here comes Hanover the other way. It's going to get put into the zone. Gostkowski applying pressure in the neutral zone, but Hanover able to continue with it. Still haven't gained the zone here. Let's send it back. Good passes through the neutral zone. They'll gain the zone, send it across the middle. Doesn't connect. Clippercats will send that up. That's on Gostkowski's stick into the zone. Hanover will take her off that. Hanover will stretch it to the far side. Reverse it back to D. And great pressure by Gostkowski. Hanover misses on the pass. They'll stretch it out. Coming through the middle of the ice, though, was Jacobs here on the near wall. They'll push it back to regroup. And they'll cleanly gain the zone. Great job by Anderson. Great stick check. Or poke check, I should say. That's going to loop around. Unable to cleanly get a shot off. Comes Metcalf into the zone with speed. She curls around front, but loses the puck. That's going to come all the way out. Rinko's going to send it all the way back in. That'll come over to the near corner. Clippercats will apply pressure on this near wall. They send it out of the zone. Rinko picks it up, regroups with it. Sends it over to the near wall right here to Saar. Saar sends it across the middle. That was going quickly to Metcalf, just beyond the reach of her stick. Here comes Hanover. They're going to shovel that in. Rinko with pressure gets it back to the near wall here. And Metcalf will chip it out of the zone. That comes back to Saar. Saar was there for it. Sends it across, lands on Hanover's stick. And that's loose in the middle here. But Farwell will pick that up, come across center line with speed. There's a shot. Great save. As another shot goes wide of the net. Great shot by Farwell. That's going to come out. No icing. Rinko's going back for her. She's got support with Saar on this side. Rinko curls back. Gets some space. Curls back around again. Behind the net with it. Curls up the middle with it. Sends it off Farwell's back of her skates. And here comes Hanover back into the zone. Rinko will knock it off her stick. Cuts back. Hanover trying to center, but too many folks there from the Clipper Cats. And that'll be offsides. Offsides. No call. And here we go. And that's going to come out to the point with a shot. Finds wide of the net. That's coming on the far wall. Clipper Cats unable to get it out of the zone. Gets a shot, goes wide. Good positioning here by the Clipper Cats. And trying to send it out to the point. And that's Jacobs with it. Coming through the neutral zone. She's trying to get a pass off. Intercepted by Hanover, and they go right back on the attack. Clipper Cats chip that wide. Here comes Saar. Saar sends it into the defender. They get it into the zone. Rinko into the corner. Metcalf with her. Get down in the corner, battling along the near wall here, and they're going to come out with it. That's Farwell with it. She gains the neutral zone, gains mid-ice, and gains the attack. She's got support by Kavanaugh, I believe. And here comes Hanover again, out of the zone. And they're going to get past. That was past Anderson. Anderson there, past Henderson, I should say. Anderson was there to add support. Great teamwork on D. Kavanaugh chips it out, unable to get deep. And DeSantis will go down into the corner, applying pressure. Down in the corner, Hanover will come out with it. Sending it up the middle. That was Henderson taking it to the middle of the ice. Jacobs working on the far wall. Sends it across. That lands on Gostkowski's stick. Gostkowski pulling it wide. It'll get deep. She gains control again on the far wall. She'll send it up the wall. Jacobs is there. Jacobs sends it back to Rinko. Rinko will get a shot off. That's tip tie. Goes short of the net. Short side of the net. That's going to come out front. DeSantis right low with it. She's got it. Sends it up the middle. That's going to Saar. That'll get blocked by the skate. Defender gets a skate on it. That's going to get fed out to DeSantis. DeSantis feeding it around. Still out front. It's still loose out front. DeSantis will pull it behind the net. Feeds it out front. It comes out to Saar. Saar gets a good shot on it. Wide of the net. DeSantis again with it. Feeds it out front. That's coming out to Saar again. Saar with another shot. Pad save wide of the net. Jacobs with it on the near wall, or the far wall. She'll pull it off the wall. And Saar keeps that in. Great job. There's a shot off the pads, left out front, and that'll be a whistle. That's 6:06 left here in the first. Great game, as we would expect. Zero here in the first. That puck's one to the wall. Can't really say one because I don't know who won it. And Hanover will get into the zone past Henderson. That's going to be a shot and a goal for Hanover. Great centering pass. Nobody was there, and they tip it in for the goal. So Hanover first on the board here. Hanover will win that puck back, sending it to the near wall, but Metcalf quick to gather it up. That's going to come out, slips past Anderson's stick. And Anderson not first to the puck, but comes away with it. And a little too soft on the pass there. Hanover down the middle. Great pad save by Boussier.
9:06, scored by number 14, 7, Nora Bradley. And number 3, Hannah Gardner.
Everybody gets an assist on that one. And that's going to get chipped out of the zone, out of the arena into the Clipper Cats bench. I'm not sure why that's coming back in the offensive zone. It was tipped out in the neutral zone. But here we are. Sorry, that was DeSantis on the far wall. Hanover able to get that back to the point for a shot. Gostkowski will chip past the defender. It's going to go a little too far. Hanover able to gather that up. Jacobs giving chase. Peels off, and Gostkowski comes in for pressure. That's going to get sent out. Gets tipped by Rinko. Hanover trying to get to it. Rinko sends it off the boards. DeSantis chips it into the neutral zone, but only Hanover was home. Gostkowski across the middle. And DeSantis is going to come away with it. Gets a shot. Skirts wide of the far post. That's going to come out. Jacobs able to keep it along the wall briefly. Hanover's going to gather it up. Rinko sends it off for a stick, and they're going to be offsides, and they'll call that one. Appreciate that. So we'll get a stop. 4:21 here in the first. Hanover 1, Clipper Cats 0. And that's going to get one back by Hanover. Sent into the zone. Gets sent back to Henderson with it. She'll send it around the back of the net to Anderson on the far wall. Hanover's quick to get a stick on it there. Comes back to Henderson. She'll chip it off the wall. Metcalf's going to feather it out. And Hanover able to gather it up. Kavanaugh able to pound it into the zone. She's going to center it. That's Farwell with it. A little bit in her skates. Great opportunity. Clipper Cats keep doing that. It'll be just fine. That's back on Kavanaugh's stick into the zone. She gets a shot. That's a glove save for Hanover. Jacobs will win the face-off back. That comes back to Saar. Kavanaugh with it in the corner. Oh, I'm sorry, not Kavanaugh. It's Gostkowski. DeSantis centering it. Slips it through the middle. And they're going to chip it past Saar. Here comes Hanover. 3-on-1. Rinko back. And she defends it. Great job. Here it comes back out. That's going to skirt past, and that'll be for an icing. So that'll come all the way back down. That'll come all the way back down for an offensive zone face-off for Hanover. 3:10 left in the first. Farwell here taking the drop for the Clipper Cats. That's one back. She wins it cleanly back to Henderson. Henderson with it will send it back up the wall to Metcalf here on the near wall. Metcalf will get pinched off. And Hanover with control. There's a shot. Goes behind the net. Comes back out to the point. And Farwell will get it. Come across the middle of the ice. She gains the zone. Pushes it wide. She gets a shot on net. Paddled wide of the net. Hanover send it back along to the near wall corner. And send it up the middle. That's going to land on Anderson's stick. Anderson will feather that over to Metcalf. Gets just past her stick. Hanover with it. Neutral ice. And don't gain the zone cleanly. That's going to come over to Metcalf right in front of us here. She's going to gain half ice. Chip that in. And that's offsides, I guess. So we'll have a neutral zone face-off right here. 2:20 left in the first. And Jacobs wins it forward. She gets checked off the puck. No penalty. That's going to come out to Rinko. They wave off. No icing. Rinko's here to pick it up in the corner. Sends it across hard to Saar. Saar sends it up the boards. Comes up the middle. Jacobs with it. She's got Gostkowski on her side. Gostkowski pulls it into the zone. She gets a shot. And the whistle on Hanover, it looks like. That's going to be on number 13. Let's see what the call is here. That's holding. So the Clipper Cats will go on the power play here with 1:51 here in the first. That'll be Lindsay for Hanover with the penalty. Farwell wins that off to the point, to the wing. Comes back to Rinko. Rinko sends it down the wall to Farwell. Farwell will curl around. Skate out front. There's a shot. Skirts wide. Gostkowski just gets checked in the chest. No penalty. All right. I guess we'll see the game we're playing tonight here. That's going to go to Rinko in the far corner. She curls back with it. She gets support. Farwell with it. Farwell going to skate it to the middle. Sends it up to DeSantis. And that's going to be an offsides here for the Clipper Cats. Minute 21 left on the penalty. Minute 13 left in the period. So we'll get through the rest of this period here. Farwell wins that forward, but that'll get sent all the way in. Shot on goal there for Hanover. That'll get paddled wide. Henderson with it, sends it across behind the net to Anderson. Anderson sends it back, and Gostkowski will pick it up on the near wall and center it out to Farwell. Farwell's got support with DeSantis down the middle. Farwell gets pitched off, and that'll get sent back up the wall, sent across to Anderson. Unable to be handled cleanly. Gostkowski adds some support. There's a shot on net. DeSantis out front. And DeSantis making sure they know they can't do that crap. But appreciate the officials just sending them on their way. Jacobs will take the face-off. Hanover wins it back behind the net. Metcalf there to provide pressure. Comes out to the wall. It's going to skip past Henderson. Anderson going back for it. Hanover right there with her. And they pick her pocket, but she gets support. That's going to get sent out across the middle. Hanover able to get that puck deep. They'll send it to the near wall. Metcalf's here, looking to send it out to Jacobs. That'll get past her stick. And Hanover will send it back in. And then we will end the first. 1-0 Hanover. Hanover will continue on the penalty when we start the second. I've got some homework to try to get the scoreboard and everything working. So we'll see you at the end of intermission. All right, we are back. Still no streaming. In fact, I've learned it's even worse. Every Wi-Fi broke in the arena, maybe when they were trying to fix it. Live Barn's out as well, so. But hopefully we got back. Here we go, second period begins. And Clippercats get into the zone. That's DeSantis with it. Down low, battling down in the corner. Even strength, Hanover sent out. Player out of the box. That's coming out to the point. And Saar able to keep that in, and Farwell chips that deep, and there's DeSantis down low. Hanover trying to send it out the middle. Slips past Farwell over to Rinko's stick. Rinko will manage it back, sends it over to Farwell. Hanover tips that in. Metcalf down the near wall here. They'll get sent around the far side. That's kept in. Skowski sends that across the middle. And Hanover, Rinko there to keep it in briefly. They'll chip it out. Jacobs back. She'll pick it up. Hanover on the change. Jacobs coming with some speed on the near wall. She'll curl into the zone here. Curls it down the middle. Feeds it out front just beyond the stick of Metcalf. Here comes Hanover the other way. Rinko pushing her wide to the wall. And comes away with the puck. Sends it off the wall. Briefly to the point. And that gets centered. There's a shot, and that's going to be another goal for Hanover. That is Hanover is up. Hanover up. 2-1 here in the second. Jacobs wins that puck back. Hanover speeding into the zone. That puck will get sent wide by,
Hanover goal at 125.
I believe that's Kane.
Casey Wilkinson.
So it's Wilkinson.
Number 16, Rachel Rockmore. Number 3, Hannah.
And again, everybody on Hanover's line gets an assist on these. I love it. Yes. Bobbling puck there, covered up by Hanover. Good scoring opportunity for the Clippercats. That'll come out to the point. Henderson will send that down low. Kane there, battling on the near corner. Comes up the close wall. Jacobs able to help get that back in the zone. Good body position. Kane centers the puck, and that's loose, and that'll bobbles right out front. Covered up by Hanover's goalie. Farwell will take the drop. Gets one back by Hanover. That comes out almost out front, comes up the side. That's going to come out of the zone. Rinko will pick that up. She turns around with it. She fakes to the outside. And Clippercats back into the zone. Metcalf giving, DeSantis giving chase. Hanover fans on the puck, loses the puck. That comes back to Gostkowski. They'll get sent along the wall to Saar. Saar keeps it in, sends it across the near wall to Rinko. Rinko skates that down, gets a shot. Gets tipped wide of the net. Good opportunity trying to tip that down, change the angle on that shot. Santos from behind, no call. Appreciate the even keel here. Santos around the back, sends it out to Rinko. Rinko gets a shot, goes wide of the net. Saar down the wall, and Clippercats keep that in. That's picked up by Farwell. Farwell with a great shot. Oh, and there's another shot. Fed out front. Farwell taken down, sticking the skates there. And that's going to get sent all the way around. Both teams on the chain. Rinko with it, sends it up to Farwell. Comes off her stick through the neutral zone. Metcalf giving pressure there. And that's going to come out of the zone. Clipper Cats send it back in, and they're able to get back on the attack. Shot deflected. That's Jacobs. Good stick check there by Metcalf. Metcalf peels back around behind the net, sends it out front. Doesn't get there. Good attempt. That's going to come off Hanover's stick, and great job keeping it in. And here comes Hanover the other way. Ringo's going to put that out to the wall. Shifts that back into the neutral zone. Hanover's going to attack. They send it to the weak side. That's fed out front. Rinko sending it off the boards, gets it into the neutral zone. Hanover will regroup. They send it back in. Comes out front. Rinko takes it off the stick. Hanover gets a shot wide. And that's a shot again, deflected. I believe that's Metcalf with the puck. Hanover had too many players on the ice. Had to have too many players on the ice to tip that. Great save by Bussiere. Yeah, for sure. They were making a change, had players on the ice, and the first person to touch the puck. Hanover with it behind the net. It's going to come over to the near wall here. And Hanover, good pass back and forward, and here they come into the attacking zone. Take it wide. Getting around Anderson. They try to curl back, but Anderson's there. Send it back low, but Anderson will get it behind the net. She's going to send it up the wall. That get past everybody. There's no icing on it. Oop, camera moved too much there. Apologize for that. And centering pass by Hanover. Comes out of the zone. Gostkowski will pick it up. Sends it off the wall, but there's nobody there. Opportunity to use the points a little bit. Be something that moving the puck would pass, and here comes Farwell into the zone. She's going to come across the middle. She gets a great shot. Goes a little wide of the near post. That's Kane on the far side. Clipper Cats keep that in. That's Jacobs peeling into the inside, coming down the slot. That's going to come back out. Rinko is ready for it. She curls back with it. She peels back, sends it off the wall, the near wall here. Hanover comes away with it. We'll send it across. Czar's there. Czar's going to send it up. No icing called. That'll go all the way down. And the foot race is won by Jacobs. That's offsides, and they call it. They got it. It was going to be a 2-on-1 situation. Hanover fed the puck backwards and then couldn't keep themselves onside. So it'll be a neutral zone face-off here. 8:26. Ooh, I forgot to manage the clock here a little bit. So the clock is running. I'll have to adjust it. It's 8:21 here. Hanover will send that pass across. They like to go horizontal, coming down the zone, change the angle for the goalie. That's going behind the net. Rinko and Hanover get there at the same time. And here comes Farwell. She's able to push it wide, gains the zone, curls around, keeps it out front. And there was a scoring opportunity up front. That comes back to DeSantis. DeSantis takes a shot off the pads. Anderson comes in for support. And here comes Hanover again. Coming down the middle of the ice. Blocked by Anderson. Great job. She got it behind the net, sends it to the far wall. Kavanaugh there. That's going to get sent in behind the net by Hanover. Curled back. Henderson there. Hanover curling back into the defender. Anderson gets to that puck, sends it up to Kavanaugh. Kavanaugh will center it to DeSantis. DeSantis coming in on the near wall. She's got some space. She'll take it. There's a shot. and it's not covered up. So they'll take that wide. That comes off Jacob's stick. Metcalf with a great back check. Clipper Cats will send Hanover wide. They'll send it up to the point. That's in the skates. They'll get a shot off wide of the net. Rinko with it. She curls back behind the net. Sends it up. That's going to land on Jacob's stick. Jacob curled back with it. Came off her stick. And a little bit of bobbling the puck around here. And that comes up to Hanover. It's still in the neutral zone. They'll send it back to their D. Regrouping. He's going to curl around. Unable to cleanly get it in. Rinko with it. She skates it back behind the net. She's got pressure from behind, sends it up the wall as they close in. That's coming out. It's on Jacob's stick. Jacob will get into the zone, but she gets pinched off. And here comes Hanover through the neutral zone, not Hannah. Don't know who it is. And Hanover, again, real close to having too many players on the ice. During that change, having that first player touch the puck would be a dangerous idea. That's coming over to the near wall. Rinko will pull it off the wall, send it back down into the corner behind the net. That was Farwell, I believe. And gets taken off Gieskoski's stick. In the middle, DeSantis coming in. Farwell will feed DeSantis down into the corner. DeSantis sends it out front. That's going to go off Rinko. Rinko able to hold it in. And then Saar goes back. Regathers that puck. Sends it back up. Clipper Cats back on the attack. Briefly. That's going to go off a player's skates and then back into the zone. Hanover will get a shot. Great save by Bussiere. That's behind the net. Centered pass by Hanover will come out to the point. Shot deflects wide of the net. There's a pass across the middle that ping-pongs around, gets behind the net. Good passing by Hanover right out front. Great save by Bussiere. That'll get sent diagonally to the corner. Clipper Cats need to get a whistle here. And that's going to be out of the zone. So not a whistle, but they'll be able to make a couple changes. That's helpful. Hanover sensing that, sends it to the wides, the near side. Henderson sends that back. Here comes Jacobs. Jacobs gets taken off the puck, but she retains control, gets a shot. Great blocker save by Hanover. Hanover will be coming back up, trying to come through the middle of the ice. Metcalf there, creating some traffic. Henderson with it behind the net. She curls back. She'll be the first one to get there. Actually, I think Metcalf came down the wall. It's dangerous when no one to pass to when the wing comes down to the corner, but sometimes you have to. That's going to get sent out the far side. That gets into the zone. Shot off wide of the net here. Puck on the near side. Metcalf first there. Farwell with support. Metcalf censors it out. Had a good opportunity. Kane will pick that up. Henderson to Anderson. Anderson with a shot. Great screen by Farwell. Anderson will feather that puck back in on her backhand. Farwell applying pressure. Clipper Cats are all on one side. And Hanover stretches the ice. Saar there. Great job. Picked up by Metcalf. Metcalf's going to send it to the near side. DeSantis will take it back into the zone. And she'll send that up. That's kept in by Hanover. Not kept in. They'll call that offsides. So we'll get a neutral zone face-off there. So we have 2:30 left on the clock here. We have lost connections with things. So again, our clock's off. 2:22. Clipper Cats gain the zone. That's Gostkowski going into the corner. She got Jacobs out front. DeSantis comes down the wall. Hanover gains possession. They're going to send it out. That gets past Rinko. Rinko will go back for it. And that'll be an icing. 2:05 left here in the second period. Hanover with it on the near wall. Great pressure. DeSantis comes away with it, coming down the middle, but not enough support. So Hanover will get that out. That's going to split the D. Saar's back for it, though. She's going to curl behind the net. She's going to get pressured. Sends it back around the net. Rinko picks it up, sends it on the near wall, comes out to the point. Hanover dances, gets a shot. It's off Bousier's helmet, I believe. Clipper Cats go into the corner, come out with the puck. It's behind the net. Rinko knocks it off into the corner. Hanover still with it. Jacobs will pick it up. Jacobs under pressure down below the goal line, sends it up the wall. And here comes DeSantis. She comes away with it. She's got Gostkowski down the middle. She sends it, and it's a glove save. Had Gostkowski coming down the slot. Like to see the Clipper Cats using each other a little more here. So that's what it's going to take to get one in the net here tonight. 1:09 left in the second, 2-0 Hanover. And Hanover's going to come out of the zone with it again. They'll chip it past Anderson. And they're ahead of Henderson. There's a shot and another goal. Hanover gets third goal. With a minute left here in the second period, Hanover goes up 3-0. Barwell wins that face-off. That'll come back. Anderson picks it up, chips it into the zone.
And a goal at 14 minutes scored by number 7, Nora Bradley, assisted by number 3, Hannah Gardner.
Oh, only one assist on that one. That's going to come back out to Jacobs. Jacobs skates it in. That goes off the pads of the defender. That's going to come out to Anderson. Anderson with it, sends it across to Henderson. Henderson sends it into the zone to Metcalf. Hanover picks it off, reverses the ice, and here they come. There's Farwell pinching off here along the near wall. Rinko back with it. She's going to turn up. She feathers it out, and Hanover wins the foot race. Hanover's got a little more speed than the Clipper Cats do tonight. There's a shot. Great save by Boussier. Bounces to the side, and that's going to be the end of the second period. We're going into the third period. Hanover 3, Clipper Cats 0. That's going to be a goal for Gostkowski. Henderson with the backhand, and that's DeSantis with the score. Jacobs wide. That's going to be a goal. Jacobs. you've been lucky I was on mute. Good Lord. Jacobs takes the drop, wins it forward. Hanover with it. Send it back around the far wall. Anderson down the wall, keeps it in. It's going to come back out to the point. Haynes sends that deep. Hanover picks it up. Over on the near wall here. And Hanover's going to lead the pass into the zone. There's a shot. Anderson, great positioning. Defends that. Next shot goes behind the net. That's going to come out of the zone. Metcalf racing to it. Hanover first to it. And Hanover will get that into the zone. Anderson back for it. She's going to stretch the ice the other way. That lands on Kane's stick. Kane's going to stretch it over. Tipped by Jacobs, so no icing there. Goes behind the net. Jacobs right there. Hanover gains position with it. Gets it on the far wall. Rico coming down the wall. Hanover's going to chip it off. It's going to land on Saar's stick. Saar chips it over Metcalf's stick. There's no icing though. Farwell with it. Down below the goal line. She needs some help. Nobody's there. Piskowski coming in. And Farwell back with the puck. They're along the wall. Can't really see. That's going to come out to the middle. And that goes off Hanover's skate. Coming across the middle. Metcalf DeSantis chips it into the zone. Hanover gathers it up. Rinko with it. There'll be a delayed offsides. DeSantis has got it clear. She does. Piskowski into the zone. Great job. Gets her stick on the puck. No puck luck here for the Clipper Cats tonight. That's going to go through. Goes all the way down. For some reason, no icing. I mean, Rinko loses an edge behind the net. Hanover can't handle the puck either. Saar there to support. That's going to come up the middle. Here comes Rinko. She's got the puck. She's going to chip it in past the half ice. Gets into the zone down low, below the net. Skates right through the stick. Got the puck. Pinches down the wall. That's going to come out to Jacobs. Jacobs in the point. Gets a shot. Goes wide. Kavanaugh there out front. Metcalf to the near wall. Pinching off. And that'll get chipped out of the zone. Jacobs back. Rinko with it. Rinko's going to send it along the rim it around to Kavanaugh. That pops loose. Jacobs is there, but again, no puck luck here for the Clipper Cats. Hanover's going to turn around with it. Come into the zone. Jacobs gets a stick out there. Rinko knocks the puck off Hanover's stick. Jacobs gathers it up. There's a pass, and that's going to bounce into the Clipper Cats. Off the Clipper Cats into the Clipper Cat bench, I should say. Face-off won by Hanover, gets a shot off. Boussier will paddle that wide. Piskowski looking to get it out of the zone. Can't clear it. Anderson with it behind the net. My camera being a little too optimistic, getting ahead of the play. Again, Hanover's feet keep moving. Lost edge down in the corner, but Farwell hops right back up. And here comes Metcalf into the zone. She wins the foot race. She's got the puck, or had the puck. Still battling. She's hooked. She's hooked. There's no call. Unbelievable. That puck's going to come out of the zone. This is the game we're going to play here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Cat gets that puck into the zone. Comes out. Henderson with it, off the edge of her stick, unable to control it. Kane applying pressure. Feathered off the boards, but doesn't find a... That's offsides, and they get it. Clippercats with the fake off. Jacobs there. Puck comes right back. Rinko's able to send it right into the zone. Somehow no icing, but I'll take it. Kane's going to send it back around the net. Hanover's got it behind the net. They're going to send it along the wall. Rinko's able to get there. Hanover pins a skate on the puck. Good job pinning it to the board. Officials asking for it to move. Hanover's able to pull it off. And they're going to come into the zone. Saar's back. Great job. Knocks the puck off. Rinko adding support. Metcalf here. Hanover kicks that puck. Jacobs down into the corner. Saar coming for support. That's fed out front. That's a great save by Boussier. Where's the call? Slashing on the goalie after the whistle. Unacceptable. Not safe. .8:10 left here in the third. Face-off is tied up. Hanover gets a shot, not on net. They'll pull it off the wall, go with the slap drop. Gieskowski there to block it. DeSantis with it. Gets a great scoring opportunity. Great save by Hanover. Sends it wide of the net. And here comes Hanover. Henderson and Anderson back. Hanover, great job. Great save by Boussier. Pad save, kicks it wide. And that pass, unable to find its way out of the zone. But here comes Farwell with it. Gieskowski adds support. Unable to gain the zone. Rinko comes in for support, briefly gets it in. Applies pressure, Hanover boots it. But they pick it up, and now they'll go on the attack here into the zone. Jacob chips it off. Gets pinched off right in front of us here. And that'll get dumped in. Again, no icing. Not sure there was anyone near it, but, you know, we're consistent anyway. That puck's going to come up the near wall. Comes out to the point. Pull it off. There's a shot with a great tip opportunity. Really was. Rinko picks it off the stick. She's going up the far wall. She's going to send that out to Kavanaugh. Sorry. Doesn't find a home on Kavanaugh's stick. Hanover skates right through Metcalf's stick. Jacobs will pull it off the wall. She's got a little bit of space. She'll get into the zone. She curls around. And puck's going to skirt wide of the net. Great opportunity by Jacobs. Hanover back behind the net with the puck. Coming out with it. Going to send it off the wall. Metcalf's there with it. Sends it in, but Hanover's going to send it right back out. Rinko's going to pick it up. Sends it back. Gets past Metcalf. Goes off to DeSantis. Rinko will send it all the way in for a shot on net. That comes all the way out. Saar's already here. She'll reverse it to Rinko. Rinko pulls it back and breaks the ankles of the Hanover forward. Hanover's going to send it out. Rinko misses the puck. Hanover on the breakaway. Boussier's out there, and they'll get the goal. Hanover will go up 4-0. Got that puck right over Boussier's shoulder. Beautiful shot. Clippercats win the face-off back. Goes off the official's leg, so unable to make forward progress with it.
Scored by number 7, Nora Bradley.
Here comes Hanover. That's going to Kane with it, gets it into the neutral zone. She's got immediate pressure coming in behind her. Support by Metcalf down the middle. Metcalf gets pinched off into the corner. Puck's low. Pressure being applied. Kane down to support. It's coming out of the zone. Here comes Anderson. Here comes Hanover. Anderson there to defend. They'll chip past her, go low. Metcalf down below to support. And here comes Anderson with the puck. Unable to get past the Hanover defender. That's going to come over to Metcalf. She gains the offensive zone, chipped past, gains the puck down low, loses it, turns that over. Here it is. Farwell with it out front, feeds it back to Rinko. Rinko with a shot. Good save. Saar keeps that puck in. Great job. She's curling down the slot, gets her stick lifted and hooked. Continually hooked. No call. It's out front. DeSantis going to get that goal. And the Clipper Cats will get on the board here with 3:59 left in the game. Four to 1. Farwell moves forward. Rinko picks up the puck, dumps it in. Gaskowski on the forecheck.
11:01 by number 2, Mallory DeSantis, assisted by number 10, Emma Saar.
Another feed right out front. That's going to come back out to Rinko to the point. There's a shot, low shot, deflected back. And here they go. Saar on the horse, the fin out front. And that's a great save. Great save by Boussier. Legitimate right there, glove save. Another breakaway for Hanover. Boussier stands tall. Face off one back by Hanover. Down below the goal line with it. They'll feed it out front, but that's going to go off. Clipper Cats clog up the middle, but Hanover's right there for it. Anderson, great job having it on the far wall. Jacobs with it, feeds it across off Metcalf's skates. These Clipper Cats not getting any puck luck. Hanover's ready to take advantage of it, and they do. Looking to center it, they'll send it behind the net. Metcalf here on the near wall. That's going to come out. Off the stick of Jacobs. Hanover will gather that up. Metcalf dumps it into the zone, but can't get it deep. That comes back to Anderson. Anderson will send it up to Jacobs, but Hanover picks her pocket, dumps it in. Hanover for the change. Clipper Cats coming around with some speed. This is it. Henderson sends it over to DeSantis. I don't know why I'm messing that up today. Hanover, great pass right through the zone. Here they come on the attack. Great save. Hanover not stepping back at all. You know, I can't understand for the life of me when the girls are gathered up into the goalie's face and the officials don't push them back. They allow them to stand there just waiting for something to happen. Just ask them to step back. Play is over. Clipper Cats win that puck back. They'll send it across the middle to Gaskowski. Kane coming through the zone. Will get it into the zone. Hanover curling around with the puck. And Rinko stands tall, gets it out of the zone, comes on the near side to Kane. Kane sends it off the wall. Farwell back to Saar. Saar across the Rinko. This Hanover quickly had someone coming out onto the ice. Rinko's able to get it forward, gets it into the zone. That's coming back to Saar, over to Rinko, coming across to Kane. Gets past Kane, back to Saar again. Saar's going to send it up, trying to send it back to Kane. Kane into the zone, but she gets tied up. Jacobs can't quite gather it up. She does now. Goes off Hanover, and they're back on the attack. Coming down the middle, Rinko and Saar squeeze off Hanover's attack. Transitions back to, comes right back. There's a shot, slides wide of the net. Comes back to Saar, Saar with a shot. Comes back out to Rinko, Rinko with a shot. Goes wide, goes off the goalie and then kicks wide. Comes back out to Saar. And here comes Hanover. There's a shot, goes wide of the net and over it. Pass by Metcalf, intercepted here at the top of the circle. That's going to come off the wall. Hanover with it, looking to feed it out. Saar successfully knocking it off this stick. Puck still in the zone, Hanover coming in on it. Hanover down low below the goal line, still with possession of the puck. Feed it out front. That puck, great save by Metcalf. 7 seconds left here in the third. Exciting game. Final end zone faceoff here for the Clipper Cats. Farwell wins it out to the wall, sends it back. And that pass comes out. It's intercepted right away. And Hanover will win it. That's the end of the game. 4-1. Always a competitive game of hockey. Definitely what we want to see every night. Not the outcome we're looking for. Hanover played a great game. Clipper Cats a little flat-footed, but we'll see them again at the WIT. And with any luck, we'll see them in the state tournament again. Have a great night.